Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here at Let's Talk Tech. Today we are unboxing the AfBEST Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Now, as you'll know, there has been a bit of a theme with these AfBEST products. First of all, I've got to say I've been incredibly surprised by AfBEST as a company. They have been incredibly easy to work with, and their products have been, I've been really surprised. They've all been fantastic so far, with very few criticisms coming from me. So let's open this AfBEST vacuum cleaner and see how this one stacks up against the rest. So like all the other AfBEST products, again incredibly well packaged. As you open up the box, you have the user manual. You get their very lovely thank you and contact details if you have any issues. It gives you all the different ways in which you can contact them. And a lovely thank you for purchasing from AfBEST, which I think is a lovely little touch. First of all, we will take out the actual vacuum itself. This is actually quite heavy. I've got to say I was really surprised. I was expecting it to be quite light and almost flimsy, but it's not. It feels quite sturdy in the hands again, and as with all the other AfBEST products, it has an incredibly premium feel as well. In the box you get several nozzles and adapters. And you get a micro USB cable, which I was a little bit surprised about. Unfortunately, you do not get the power adapter with this, and you do not get an adapter so you can charge this in your car, which is probably the only criticism I would have of this particular product. So here we have the fully unboxed handheld vacuum. We'll turn it on, let's hear what it sounds like. As you can see, it's got a bit of noise, but again, when it comes into vacuums, this is a good thing. It has fantastic suctionness. It is incredibly powerful for such a small handheld device. Now this device comes with cyclonic suction technology. So to put that to the test, I've done a simple test here. I put some salt on the table and I want to see how easily the vacuum handles picking up that salt. And as you can see, it works absolutely perfectly. I love this product. Like all the AfBEST products I have tried so far, it is fantastic. At the moment, you can buy this from AfBEST for $37.99. If you check the description below, there is currently a discount for subscribers to the channel as well. Now, I don't often do follow-up videos, but please stay tuned to the channel. I will be doing a car clean video using this particular vacuum in the coming days. So please do keep your eyes peeled for that. Again, I want to thank the guys over at AfBEST for sending me on this vacuum and all their other products over the past couple of weeks. They have been an absolute pleasure to work with. And to you guys, I want to thank you for supporting the channel as always. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and the like button. And I hope to see you guys again for more unboxings. In the meantime, this has been Scott from Let's Talk Tech.